Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really spectacular. Here I've got the Rockstead Higo X. Look at this thing. It's just nuts. It's ridiculous, guys. Just one of the best blade finishes in the business. We're gonna try to maintain this fella. I'm curious to see how this guy looks on the inside, as I've never opened one. So let's go ahead. But hey, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a comment, because all these things are for free. So just it's gonna make me keep cranking these videos out, knowing that you enjoy these videos. So this is interesting because Rockstead also gives you provides the tool for this knife, which is embedded in the pouch. So that's the handle screw, that's the pivot screw, and you're gonna need like a T10, and that's it. So that's just gorgeous. So let's see how this guy is on the inside. So let me see. I'm just gonna be extremely careful, extremely gentle in opening this guy up, because we don't want to scratch anything. And look at that. There's some black lube going on here. Very big washers. Look at the skeletonized liners. Here we're gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol in this microfiber cloth. We're gonna just go ahead and enjoy the beauties of this blade on the inside. Look at the stop pin, guys. Holy, look at this. That's crazy. So yeah, very, very interesting. So I think this scale is so there's a bushing pivot, kind of like Sebenza style. Very nice, which is here. And then we got some washers, like phosphorus bronze washers here, which we can try to pry out with this because we want to clean it nicely. So yeah, there's some surface tension, of course, created by the lube, which we're gonna try to remove, but yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to get out of there. So let me try to clean a little bit more the area around like that. And while I'm out there, I'm just gonna clean everything inside. This is gorgeous. Also, like you see, oh no, this is that is very, very interesting construction. Reminds me of the Sebenza a lot. Very interesting. Look at that. This is iron wood. That's beautiful. Anyways, we want to remove this. And we will make it. I'm tempted to grab something like metallic to lift this guy, but I don't want to. Maybe let's take this. There you go. Huh? So yeah, you always need like a shear in your life to make things nicer, right? Look at this washers here. Pretty cool. There you go. So this is nice. Very nice. I like it. Beautiful. So that is one and it's done. That is two and it's done. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean like this guy off like that. I'm thinking which lube should I use? I'm thinking we got some options here. So we are on washers, of course. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go with some 10 weight non-oil, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with that. Beauty. Very well made. Interesting. And I mean, guys, yeah, this is not a cheap knife. So I think it's around 1,300 US dollars. So yeah, definitely not a cheap one, but it's very, very well made. The blade has a polish, like a mirror polish, to 2000 grit handmade, of course. As you can see, this is like, there's no micro bevel here. It's just like one awesome convex grind going on, and that is pretty much about it. So let's go ahead. Let's start from this scale over here. We're gonna do this. Actually, I want to do a little bit of 10 weight underneath and a little bit on top. Wow, that's a lot. So just one drop is going to be enough. There you go. Then we got the bushing in. So I'm curious to see, because this is not symmetrical. So it was like that. So probably I should, there you go. And now you got the blade in, beautifully in. And then let's do another one drop just like that. And this is gonna be like so. And just one like that. We're gonna use a little bit of heavier weight nano oil for the detent ball, like 85 and just like a half of a drop. So that is in. We have the oil in place. Just place the scale back, relieve the tension, like doing so. So, you know, I'm just gonna do this, not gonna use any Loctite for now. I just want to tighten this guy, and I love that they use T10 for both, and 2 screws does the trick, and that's the click. Guys, this is seriously a well-made knife. It's very, very simple. And look at that. Perfectly centered. Snappy action. Oof, look at this. Washers, guys. Beautiful. Rockstead Higo. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.